Okay, am I on? Okay, window cleaning, guys. Leanne Jones back at you again with the windows. Now I've pre-prepared this window on the outside, so all we're going to do is clean the inside. So this is our window cleaner. It's called a 2-in-1 window cleaner because it does break down and transfers into a little bathroom window cleaner too, which I'll show you in the bathrooms. Okay, very easy to do that. All you do is take the fibre off like so, and you press 2 little buttons here, and the little wings pop off on the ends. And so when the wings pop off, then you have a smaller base to pop your smaller window fibre on, glass fibre on. So we'll go back to the big one because we want to do the big windows. So this can do any shiny surface, including glass top tables, including garage doors, roller doors, that sort of thing. Even 2-pack surfaces. I even use this window cleaner in my kitchen to do my mirrored splashbacks and splashback in the kitchen, because it's much easier, and I do my bench tops because the bench tops are really, really large. And so what I do is I wipe with the glove and then blade off and put all the water onto the floor and then do my last cleaning on the floor in the kitchen, and it just saves me time. I'm all about saving time and money. Okay, so window cleaning at its best. Spray bottle and Miracle for the outdoor. Okay, so this is your outdoor Miracle, which goes with your window cleaner, blue with blue. So give it a spray and then wipe. The blade removes for easy access to different areas. So you just press a little button here on the blade. There's a how-to video on YouTube if you'd like to see that. And then just give it a wipe. And there was lots of nose prints here because my cat likes to sit on my windowsill and she puts her nose against this all the time. And then dry off. So with the blading, you can go all the way down to the bottom and you'll get a clean dry. And this is one of the best blades available in the marketplace. And if you come and zoom in over here, Glenda, you'll see that the water on this window is actually quite dirty. So I'm just a normal person who has dirty windows. Mm-hmm. And then just use your Miracle to basically give the extra little bit of water a wipe off, and that's actually done, and that's all you need to do with window cleaning. You'll get a cleaner clean using no products on your windows because glass actually is meant to be slippery and dry, slippery and clean, and when we put Windex and other things on it, it actually makes it dirtier. So this is your window bundle. It's also what you get in the window in the complete bundle. So my little dog there is trying to bury her nose under the blanket. Thank you.